The CM-APL5 is the latest in the line of backup cameras in the MINy category. The key design of these cameras is based on their reduced size, making them very easy to install without a huge visual impact to your vehicle. The camera transmits a higher than standard full-color signal to any compatible monitor or display. The built-in night vision operates in near black surroundings, making backing up easier where streetlights are not as common. The standard casing also ensures your camera will work in rain or shine weather conditions. The CM-APL5 camera comes in a black, waterproof casing with an IP67 rating, 170 degrees viewable angle, and a full-color resolution display to assist with blind spot visibility. This high-tech backup camera is a perfect choice for your vehicle where you don't want to miss anything that could end up behind you.